Introduction to avoiding tolls in Apple Maps.
Want to skip toll roads on your drives? Apple Maps offers a way to customize your journeys and avoid unexpected toll charges. In this tutorial, you'll discover how to set up Apple Maps to steer clear of toll roads, giving you more control and peace of mind every time you travel.
Accessing navigation settings.
Start by opening your iPhone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Maps. Here you'll find various options to tailor your navigation experience. Exploring these settings allows you to make Apple Maps work exactly how you want, including avoiding specific types of roads like tolls and highways.
Configuring route options.
In the Maps settings, look for the Driving and Navigation or Directions section. Find the toggle switches labeled Tolls and Highways. To avoid toll roads, switch the Tolls option to Off. You can also avoid highways if you prefer slower but perhaps more scenic routes.
Using Apple Maps for toll-free routes.
When you enter a destination in Apple Maps, after setting your preferences, the app will automatically generate routes that steer clear of toll roads. You can review the available route options before starting your trip and select the one that best fits your needs and preferences.
Tips and limitations.
Remember that Apple Maps depends on available road data and may not detect all toll-free alternatives, especially in certain regions. Always double-check your planned route and consider consulting local traffic resources for up-to-date information if you're traveling in unfamiliar areas.
Summary: customize every drive.
With Apple Maps route customization features, you can save money and plan your drives with confidence. Adjust your settings just once to avoid tolls on every new trip. Explore these options before you hit the road and enjoy a smoother, toll-free journey wherever you go.